going to show you what we're cooking for our Sunday dinner today. We're cooking rice and peas and chicken and sweet and sour chicken. This is the second time cooking sweet and sour chicken, but first time doing it with Hubby. Yes, so rate us from 1 to 10, guys. Yes, let us know what you think. And remember, guys, to subscribe if you got anything down below. Alright, so these are our ingredients for the sweet and sour chicken. We have the pineapple, carrots, onions, ginger, garlic. So these are the ingredients, guys. And that's our chicken right there. We're gonna probably add a lime as well for the sourity. So yes, guys, let me add the lime. So yes, guys, we're going to cook. So the peas.
Gonna watch.
No, we're going to cook. I'm a big chef too. You know to cook.
Not sweet and sour chicken, not my thing at all.
So we're going to learn together, right? So the peas has been pressuring now for a while, so the 20 minutes. I'm gonna give it another 20 minutes before I turn it off. So it'll be your time to work. Alright, you're supposed to cut up the chicken. Yes, it'll be your time to work. Cut up the chicken, please. Alright, Leo, I see you struggle with the chicken. I'm gonna put the chicken in you. Ah, true. I share chicken.
Mama, the knife I drop this is alright.
Imagine, we have to sharpen it every Sunday. We have to use it every Sunday.
Alright, here one going. I have time all day here. Back with that chicken and try to put it. Don't make no sense. So as I say, iron sharpen iron. So watch it.
Man, I put yourself in.
You see enough sharpen knife in our house. And there's some kind of fairy tale something, but they don't work out. But we don't find them things there. I sharpen my knife in our house anywhere.
Alright.
This is how iron sharpen iron.
Alright.
Because I have no 5 people here who are sharpening your knife. Get one a knife and you rub it. Watch how it goes up the coal now.
Alright.
Alright.
Very good idea.
So watch me now. Watch it. Slice through me now. You don't stay sharp for too long still, but you know, long enough to do it.
You better get 2 boats in our and go for yourself, okay?
No, myself. No long me I cut up chicken.
So guys, my husband did a very good job. He cut up the chicken in very small pieces. We'll cut this in 2. But separate aside from that, yes, he did a good job. So I'm gonna go ahead and season the chicken. I have my garlic here. I'm gonna wait for it. Generous amount of seasoning, 4 tablespoons of chicken and some black pepper. So that's not a time.
In more time. This is how you scrape carrot. My wife do it so. By the time enough people say like it, she do it so. By the time she done, no carrot no left.
It's not waste the carrot then.
I always wonder where she are going with it. She know if I waste the food.
And that is how you waste water. Scraping out.
When I'm chef, you're not too talking. You're not talking. It's your work, I work, yeah.
Seriously.
So basically some flour.
Yeah, that's a lot of chicken.
Anyway, now go season the flour, so watch me now. Now we got black pepper, right? Yeah, we don't make this spice man.
It's more aggressive.
I got put like Maggi season up chicken flavor. Normally something you put them on and season them right there. Easy spice we use.
Which is
Season all purpose, season meat season.
the easy spice meat season. You want it? That's
No, meat season too aggressive. No chicken? But they already chicken still, so we're not going to put much of this in here. So, yeah. These are the mix.
Babe, ensure the pot is not overheating, you know.
No, man, the pot alright, man.
Alright. Guys, tell me, comment down below. Is it raining like cats and dogs in Jamaica? It's raining cats and dogs here in Canada. That's a cat in you, not to be a guy. Show you what it's doing.
So alright, so just now chicken to egg to flour to hot pot.
Alright. Come on, Chef Blue. You can do it. Let me take on this.
Alright, so watch me now.
Yes, Mr. One, please.
Ensure say yeah, wash off the excess flour. Here we go. A bit. We have our natural seasonings, tomato, onion, carrot, garlic. We have some real pineapple juice.
Yes, I blend out the pines and the bullets.
We have some ketchup. We have some brown sugar. We have some, again, natural pineapples. We have our food coloring.
If wanted or needed, that is.
Some additional lemon.
This is the seasoning. The sauce that left over from the chicken.
Again, we have our hot Maggi chicken seasoning. So what we're going to do, we're going to add the natural seasoning to the oil and allow that to saute for a little while. Then we'll take it from there. Okay, so watch me and learn.
And the oil that is in the pot, it's from frying up the chicken. So we'll let a little of the oil.
Alright, so we're going to saute for a little while. Then we're going to add our other stuff, okay? So we're going to basically make the sauce here and then add the chicken afterwards, alright? So you will see that, okay?
And a little bit. So guys, it's looking rather beautiful. It has been sauteing now for the past 3 minutes. I'm just going to give it another 3 minutes. You can see now the natural color coming into play. If you guys have sweet pepper, bell pepper, green, red, yellow, you can add it, right? But to be honest, I do not like with bell peppers or sweet peppers. That's one of the only reasons why it's not in my pot right now. But if you have it, you can put it in there. So I'm just gonna allow this to saute for the next 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna be adding my other ingredients. What it's looking like right now. It's beautiful. Leo, you're gonna do let me do the finishing touch. Guys, this is some sesame seeds I'm adding. Maybe more generous.
So this is our sweet and sour chicken. And we just added some sesame seed to top it up.